Hi guys, hope you guys are doing great. Video is about SAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. What actually SAP is? SAP is an ERP software which provides business solutions. You guys will get a doubt. What is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. For example, if the car manufacturing industry is building a car, it requires a lot of management need to involve to build this car so that SAP will get involved to handle the data to make it allow the process what are all required. In this way, SAP software will be helpful not only in the car industry, it will be helpful for a number of industries. It may be product, it may be service, it may be logical systems, whatever it might be. It provides end-to-end solutions for every business requirement and need. It's all about SAP. It contains a lot of information. To get an overview of SAP, Udemy is providing a free course. You can check link in bio and get enroll in Udemy. It's a free of cost. You can get an overview of SAP. It will be helpful for everyone who is looking for to get information regarding SAP. Thank you. See you in the next video.